In today's dynamic world, projects are the lifeblood of progress, driving innovation and achieving strategic goals across every industry. Whether you're launching a new product, organizing a marketing campaign, planning a construction project, or developing software, effective project management is paramount. And at the heart of successful project management lies the right software. But with a seemingly endless array of options available, the quest for the best project management software can feel overwhelming. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. The ideal choice hinges on a multitude of factors specific to your team, your projects, and your organizational needs. Think of it like choosing a vehicle. A compact car might be perfect for navigating city streets, but it won't be suitable for hauling heavy cargo. Similarly, a basic task management tool might suffice for small, straightforward projects, but it will quickly fall short for complex, multi-team initiatives. So, instead of searching for a mythical best software, let's embark on a journey to understand the key considerations and explore the diverse landscape of project management tools to help you identify the perfect fit for your unique circumstances. Understanding your project management needs. Before diving into the features and functionalities of various software options, the crucial first step is to clearly define your needs. Ask yourself the following questions. What types of projects do you typically manage? Are they simple task lists, recurring workflows, or complex, multifaceted endeavors with dependencies and critical paths? What is the size of your team? Are you an individual freelancer, a small team of collaborators, or a large enterprise with multiple departments involved? What are your must-have features? Do you need robust task management, Gantt charts for scheduling, resource allocation capabilities, budgeting and cost tracking, collaboration tools, reporting and analytics, or integration with other business systems? What is your budget? Project management software ranges from free basic plans to expensive enterprise-level solutions. Determine your budget constraints early on. What is your team's technical proficiency? Opt for a user-friendly interface that your team will readily adopt. Avoid overly complex software that could lead to frustration and underutilization. Do you need cloud-based or on-premise software? Cloud-based solutions offer accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection, while on-premise software provides greater control over data security but requires internal IT infrastructure. What integrations are essential? Consider whether the software needs to integrate with your existing email, calendar, file storage, CRM, or accounting systems. Exploring the spectrum of project management software. Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can start exploring the different categories of project management software. Basic task management tools. These are ideal for individuals or small teams managing simple lists of tasks with due dates and assignments. Examples include Todoist, Trello, in its basic form, and Asana in its free or basic paid plans. They excel at straightforward task organization and collaboration on a fundamental level. Collaborative project management software. These tools offer enhanced collaboration features, allowing teams to share files, communicate within tasks, and track progress collectively. They often include features like shared calendars, discussion forums, and real-time updates. Examples include Asana in its more advanced plans, Monday.com, and Rike. Comprehensive project management software, designed for managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders and dependencies. These platforms offer a wide array of features such as Gantt charts, resource management, budgeting, risk management, and detailed reporting. Examples include Microsoft Project, Jira, and Soloxis. Agile project management software, specifically tailored for teams using agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. These tools focus on iterative development, backlog management, sprint planning, and progress visualization. Examples include Jira, Trello, with power-ups, and Monday.com, with agile templates. Industry-specific software. Some industries have specialized project management software designed to address their unique needs. For example, construction project management software often includes features for managing subcontractors, site logistics, and building information modeling, BIM. Similarly, software development teams might prioritize tools with bug tracking and version control integration.